lapha eduze kwami ubuntu unobhala ku-sub region yaseThekwini. Asibingelele bhuti.
Asibingelele bhuti.
Namhlanje senzani la?
Namhlanje silana ukuzolwa nokuzosupporta abasebenzi abalana kule company KSA abangaholile. So bafikile bazoreporta kwi-office le-EFF ukuthi bazocela isupport ye-EFF ngoba yona inhlangano abayithembayo esoloko inabo ekubalweleni. So silapha sizolwa ukuthi abasebenzi bakwazi ukuthola izimali zabo.
Kunesizwe sesike sakhuluma nawo la ebeka ukuthi cha amahola awakangeni, abanye banika 2000. There's kind of an imbalances in terms of payment.
Yes, iqinisile ngoba nakuthi ifikile officeini yafike ya report ukuthi no kunabantu abangaholile wabethenjiswe ukuthi bazohola ngomhla ka20 udlulile kumhla ka20 seka approacheka omnye umhla ka20 futhi bengaholile izimali zabo nemali ekuthiwa bayayithola abanye kuthiwa bayayibolekwa nalomali. So sizothi no akwaze ukuthi ungasebenza inyanga yonke and ungaholi kucaba futhi kuyeqa futhi ka kwinyanga yesibini awuholile ayikho explanation evakalayo ekhona. Sithi no njengenhlangano esoloko ilwela abantu fighting against exploitation, njengenhlangano esoloko uthatha serious umzabalazo wama securities, we are here to support the securities. As you know ukuthi EFF yona inhlangano esoloko ilwela securities and cleaners. Njengoba senibonile ivini nalapha eThekwini municipality nizokhumbula eqaleni nilapha kwezinyanga ezidlulileyo nan interviewer ngasho ngathi EFF yona inhlangano elwela umzabalazo wama securities and sisalwa ukuthi ama securities they must be insourced by municipalities ukuze bakwazi ukuhola decent salaries. And then now emotion ye-EFF seyiphasisiwe nani nibonile ukuthi iphasisiwe emotion ye-EFF securities 5,000 securities are insourced. So that is the victory of the EFF. Is the victory that the EFF have been fighting for ukuthi apho EFF ine say khona apho EFF ine influence khona will always ensure ukuthi beka phambili umzabalazo wama securities ukuthi makwazi ukinsource equally so with cleaners.
Organizer provincially we-Action SA okungqondo umfoka Mncwango uthi le victory eniyiklaimayo akuyona, it's actually the Action SA who tabled that motion.
I think Mncwango is very bitter ukuthi emotion ye-EFF iphasisiwe. You'll know ukuthi Action SA la neThekwini iyafika, right? You will know ukuthi EFF uqale nini umzabalazo we-insourcing. Isaqalwa EFF yiyo eyakwazi ukukhuluma nge-insourcing. Ngizokutshena eindaweni eziningi even eGauteng apho kwangena khona uHerman Mashaba, right? So yathi kayingena EFF yathi izomsupport imnikeze mandate ukuthi makwazi ukuthini uku-insource ama securities. Yakwazi through influence ne-mandate ye-EFF uku-insource ama securities. Ezikoleni apho kukuphethe khona EFF ama securities are insourced. Apho angaphathanga angeka insource wakhona EFF youth command isalwa ukuthi ama securities makabe insourced. So akanayo even history Mncwango yok insource. EFF have a history of insourcing securities ngokwe influence yabo. So yena is just bitter trying to be relevant and to claim victories. And by the way, as I'm here to represent them as securities, I'm invited by securities to come to represent them. That means securities, they have a faith to the EFF. They know good EFF is the only organization that is carrying the struggle of securities. It's the only organization that had marched left, right and center fighting for securities to be insourced. So ukatubona eThekwini lapha KZN in all provinces EFF having a march left, right and center to say securities and cleaners they must be insourced. And then lo motion say pasile manje, and then now sekunabantu sebefike emacaleni bezoyiclaim lo victory. So that victory belongs to the EFF who have been fighting for the securities and cleaners to be insourced.
Nje basikhuluma ngo KSA right now, abanye abanama sites within the government yini eseniyenzile ukuthi labasebenza base KSA abasebenzela ama-sites akahulumeni babe insourced.
Now, you see, when we speak about governance, right, where we table the motions, it's in municipality. Where the EFF always table the motions to say securities and cleaners, they must be insourced, right? And obviously, we bonile EFF even in past years, having marches left, right and center, saying that securities and cleaners, they must be insourced. Not only in municipalities, even in hospitals, even in the institutions of higher learning. Actually, in all public institutions, the securities and cleaners, they must be insourced.
Inkinga esizikhona la ka KSA, knowing very well ukuthi asiqali thina nawe ukuhlangana kule ndawo. What do you make of this company?
No, actually, inkinga ezikhona ezafika zazoreportwa ukuthi eqaleni we assisted securities sakwazi ukuvala ukuthi nothing must operate until the issues are resolved. And we mandated the securities because our approach, we are not like these people whom are going around when they represent workers and take money. We are saying we are here to support the mandate of the workers. So we closed and we tabled the motion and then we provided the solution. We told them when they are not happy, they must come to us and then we'll come back and fight for them. Not that we must go to corners and speak with the management. No, we are representing the interest of the securities. So now we fought on that time, right? And then they didn't come back. We assumed that all the issues are being resolved, and then now they came back to report to us. That's why we are here, and we are going to be here and provide a solution. After we've provided a solution, we will go. When things are not going according to what they have planned or desired, and then they will come back to the EFF and then we will continue to fight. Ours is to represent the interest of the workers, not our interest, but in line with the policies of the EFF of the insourcing.
Kuzokwenzakalani la yini nilinde umphathi nilinde decision ethile uma kuukuthi uyaqhamuka then it doesn't go to your favor? What do you do then?
Silindele umqashi ukuthi makafika azosi-addressa asho ukuthi imali yama-securities uzoyifaka nini. So if akayisho lento esifuna or efunwa ngama-securities, we are going to sit with them down and then we are going to plan what must happen moving forward.
No, thank you very much.